The UnNoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.
Sure. So Cosmic is a social impact creative agency. So we work with organizations that exist in order to create a social impact as their primary mission. That includes actually a pretty broad variety of organizations, from nonprofits to social enterprises to foundations or funders, sometimes even government organizations. The thread that ties them all together, though, is that they exist primarily to create positive impact on humanity. And so the way that we help them as a creative agency is we help them with their brand and building a brand and their digital expression of that brand through websites and other digital channels so that they can help reach their audience, build brand awareness, and kind of scale their impact with whatever niche that they serve.
Now, I'd just like to mention our sponsor for this show. The UnNoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by a company called Prowly. Prowly is an all-in-one software for leveraging your public relations activities. You can boost the media relations game for your business, find media contacts, send out press releases, and get more coverage while saving time and money on everyday tasks. Check it out, prowly.com.